Because Tawheed, what does it do? It should make you think you could take over the world. That you can move mountains by the will of Allah Azza wa Jal. Why? Because this is real Tawheed. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is no true power apart from the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If this is true, here, not here, here. If it's true, then it should change our whole lives. We should never have an inferiority complex anymore. And we should believe that we could move mountains. Why? Because behind everything is the will and power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When things happen, it's because of His will and because of His qudra, because of His power. This is why the Sahaba, they just had the Quran and Sunnah, they had Tawheed in their hearts. And there were a bunch of villagers, equivalent in a contemporary sense. And they arose and they took over the world and spread the peace and justice of Islam. What do you think that was? Because they had nuclear weaponry, they had diplomacy. You think they had that stuff? What are you talking about? It's because they knew Allah now. They knew Allah. And when they saw creation, they never said creation has intrinsic power. Meaning that this piece of creation with this human being or an obstacle, that has the power to change my destiny. Then you know, it's Allah Azza wa Jal. And since they didn't know the will of Allah, only Allah knows the will of Allah, then that gave them an infinite possibility. This is the empowerment of Tawheed.